Say hi, bestie.
Hi, besties.
Hi, besties. Today, we're going to make our first tea. It's already 12 noon here. At I'm still fasting. This is my first tea of the day, besties. You know, besties, kapag nasanay na kayo mag-fasting, tuloy-tuloy na. Kaso, do you wanna pour this one? You wanna pour the tea? Okay, you pour the tea. And there you go. Wow, you poured the tea. So, besties, this is just how you make it. Even my 2-year-old toddler can do it. So, besties, you poured the tea. So, besties, just want to thank you for the repeat orders. I'm very grateful to all of my customers. And ayan, kaso na I will go to the store. And cheers, besties.
Bye, besties.
Say thank you, besties.
Thank you, besties.
Bye.